Hey there, TRW crew. Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So this is a video I've been waiting for a long time. So because of all of you, all of our amazing YouTube subscribers, we just hit 100,000 YouTube subscribers. By far the largest in the industry. So we just really wanted to show our appreciation to all of you awesome TRW crew members, have an amazing giveaway and an amazing sale at the same time. So I want to run through real quick in this video the different things that we're going to be giving away, explain to you how the sale is going to work, and just show how appreciative we are to everything that you guys have done, you guys watching the videos over the past almost 10 years, and just hanging out with us and allowing us to share all of our knowledge with all of you guys. All right, so the first thing I want to cover is the actual sale that's going to be going on. So we're going to be doing an entire sale on the website, therhinestoneworld.com. The sale is going to start on Wednesday, July 11th, 2018. It's going to run through Sunday, July 15th, 2018. Now, the things we're going to have in this sale are things that some things we've never had before. We've never offered on our website, but this is honestly the biggest milestone that we've probably ever had, 100,000 subscribers. As many of you know, we built this entire business around YouTube and Facebook. So we really want to show you guys how much we appreciate it. So for the sale, okay, we're going to start off with this coupon code right here. It's going to be 35% off all rhinestones and rhine studs. Okay, so use this coupon code right here for 35% off all rhinestones and then rhine studs. Next one is this here. This is going to be 65% off all of our artwork packs, our true type fonts, all of our designs, individual designs, our monogram fonts, any of our downloadable designs or fonts, plus the full artwork packs, 65% off using this coupon code right here. And then, which I think is probably the biggest and best coupon code, even though it doesn't sound like a lot, right? But 10% off using this coupon code right here. This is gonna be, and I gotta look at this list to tell you, it's gonna be 10% off all of our vinyl, heat transfer vinyl and sign vinyl. It's gonna be 10% off our tote bags, our bling anything material, our bling book pages, all of our tools, all of our accessories, all of our blanks, all of our foil, all of our easy weed adhesive, all of our hot fix tape, all of our application tape. But listen to this, it's also gonna be 10% off our equipment, heat presses, vinyl cutters. Yes, 10% off our equipment, heat presses and vinyl cutters, and 10% off all of our starter kits. Pretty crazy, right? I mean, think about it. Matt's Dream Kit, it's almost $8,000. That's $800 off that Dream Kit. We've never done a discount because it's already discounted so much. So 10% off. This coupon code right here works for the equipment, works for the starter kits. It's gonna be amazing, okay? Now, the other thing that we have, okay, for the actual sale side of it is, you guys know we never really discount the Wizard by itself. So we have the Wizard Karela 2017 bundle pack, all right? Normally $859.99 on the website. For the sale, it's $799.99. So it's gonna save you $60 there. And then we also have the Wizard Karela Draw X8 bundle, normally $749.99 on the website. For the special, $669.99. So again, amazing prices. We aren't discounting the Wizard, we're discounting the Karela side of it, but that bundle pack gonna save you a ton right there. And then the last part of the sale is our actual bundles of our artwork packs. So as you know, we have 42 different volumes of artwork now, from all of our font packs to our rhinestone packs to our live template packs to our decal fundraising packs, all on the website. So all of those you can see are going to be in the different bundles, where you can get a 3-pack at a special price. You can get the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum. The diamond gives you all of the artwork that we have in packs, okay? So those special prices, we never offer them on the website. We've done it for Black Friday before, but those are available to you now, Wednesday through Sunday, July 15th. Okay, so we all got the sales down. We all got the coupon codes. Obviously, take advantage of that. I promise, we've never done the 10% off on the starter kits before and the equipment before. So if you're looking at something, now is the time. So let's get into the giveaways and see what's going to happen with those, because you guys are going to like this. All right, for the giveaways, we have 7 different giveaways, over $2,500 in giveaways just for hitting the 100,000 subscribers. So the first giveaway, we start small. We have a mini pack of choice. So the winner will be able to pick whichever mini pack of choice they want. We'll drop it into their account history. It's going to be free for them. The second giveaway is going to be 2 mini packs of choice. So again, we pick the winner. They tell us what 2 mini packs they want on the website. We drop them into their account history free of charge. The third one is going to be 3 mini packs. So pick your 3, boom, same thing. There you go again. Now we're getting into the good stuff. The fourth winner, Bling Anything Sample Kit. Sounds like, you're gonna get a little, Bling Anything Sample Kit is gonna be pretty cool, okay? You're gonna get 5 feet of the Bling Anything, all right? You're also going to get 2 feet of the white glitter, 2 feet of the red glitter, a 25 gross of crystal stones, a 25 gross of the red cyan stones. You're gonna get 2 feet of the Magic Flock template material. You're going to get the red brush, and we're gonna give you 5 feet of the hot fix tape. So the Bling Anything material, the Magic Flock, the hot fix tape, the stones, the brush, and the glitter heat transfer vinyl to make those amazing multi-deck rhinestone card decals. But you're also going to get the rhinestone decal live template mini pack number 2 free as well to be able to start making them. So you'll get the designs and basically everything you need to start making those awesome decals. And then the next giveaway is going to be the bronze artwork bundle. What is that? You get to pick 3, whichever 3 you want of our different artwork packs. Again, 40 plus volumes of artwork. You pick your 3 favorite. Doesn't matter the price. Those 3 are yours free of charge. The next winner. All right, now we're getting into something we've never given away before. The next winner gets that baby right there, the Trw Design Wizard. Now we know some of you, oh, look, it's even jumping out ready for you already. So the Trw Design Wizard does require a Karela draw, so we'll give you a special price on that Karela draw. If you need Karela, I know a lot of you already own Karela, won't need the Karela side of it, but if you do, we have a special price for you on that Karela draw as well. So that is the second, that's the second best prize. Can you imagine what the best one's gonna be? And the grand prize for the giveaway is going to be not just the Silhouette Cameo 3. It's gonna be an entire Silhouette Cameo 3, basically decal business, kind of how I started my entire business. So, I gotta read this again. With that, you're going to get the Silhouette Cameo 3. You're going to get the Designer Edition upgrade software for the Silhouette Cameo 3. You're going to get the Decal Fundraising Pack Gold, which is our decal fundraiser to start doing fundraisers with your schools and your events and your churches and community right now. You're also going to get 50 yards of the white intermediate FTC sign vinyl. You're gonna get 300 feet of the application tape. And then you're also going to get, obviously, your weeding tool to be able to make it. So everything here is how you could start an entire business. So we're giving you basically a business starter kit to make and do the vinyl decals for the back of the cars, just like I started my business as the Decal World. So pretty amazing, but we're doing all of this stuff for all of you because everything that you've done for us and watching these videos over the past almost 10 years. But 100,000 of you, that's pretty freaking amazing. We appreciate it. Again, check out the description below. It's gonna have a link to the landing page for all the different sales that are going on. It'll give you the coupon codes again. But please remember, you cannot use multiple coupon codes at the same time, and we won't be able to combine the shipping because it is going to be so busy. But obviously, for the design downloads, just do a separate order and then do your shippable items separate from that, okay? So any questions, of course, shoot us an email. But to enter the contest here. Here's how you're gonna enter the contest. You're gonna comment right below this video, on this video right here. This is where you're gonna enter, okay? And we're gonna pick a couple winners from the likes of this video and then the comments. And in the comment, I want you to take a second to just explain to us and tell us how these videos, how our YouTube channel, and how it's helped over 100,000 of you help grow or start your business. So give us a quick little, spend a minute, maybe 2 on it, and just write down there and type in real quick how we've helped you and how all of these videos have helped your business, because that's what really, it's the part that I love. It's the part that really makes me happy to see it helping you guys help your business and make all of you more successful. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are all amazing. Sales we've never done before, just for all of you, and we will see you guys soon. Comment below, click that like button. We'll see you later. Later.